Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 2nd of September 2020 question number 12. Point P divides line of joining vector A I cap plus j cap plus k cap and vector B 2 I cap plus j cap plus 3 k cap in the ratio lambda is to 1 such that OB cross OP minus 3 mod of OA into OP square is equal to 6. Find lambda is equal to what? So here is the vector A, B. A denotes A vector, B denotes B vector. And it is the point line of joining P which divides the vector lambda is to 1 ratio. So we may say lambda is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector divide 1 plus lambda. Now our question says that a condition is given OB vector cross OP vector minus 3 of OA dot OP square mod is equal to 6. That implies OB is equal to, we may say, B vector and OP is equal to, we say, A vector A lambda vector B divide 1 plus lambda minus 3 and it modulus OA is equal to A into OP is equal to once again A vector plus lambda into B vector divide 1 plus lambda its square and that is equal to 6. So multiplied B into A is equal to 2 all the coefficient multiplied and then adding 2 plus 1 plus 3 and 6 5 plus 1 6. So it becomes 6 plus lambda into B square. B square is equal to what? 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square is equal to 13 14 root 14 and B square is equal to only 14 divide 1 plus lambda minus of 3 and A cross A is equal to 0 and it becomes lambda square when we crack the modulus, then it becomes lambda square into A into B. So AB is equal to what? A vector A cross vector of B is equal to, we may say, I cap, J cap, K cap, and it is 1 1 1 and it becomes 2 1 3. So it is equal to 6. So it becomes lambda 6 6 B square. So A cross B is equal to 6 and lambda square into it is becomes 6 square. Sorry, it is only 6 cube. That is, it is root. So it becomes 1 3 and 1 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 and then it is 6, only 6. So and it is 1 plus lambda whole square, that is equal to 6 given. So it is 6 plus 14 lambda divide 1 plus lambda and it becomes 18 lambda square divide 1 plus lambda is equal to 6, 1 plus lambda whole square. And so our HCF is equal to 1 plus lambda whole square and it becomes 6 plus 14 lambda into 1 plus lambda minus 18 of lambda square is equal to 6. So that implies this multiplies 6 plus 14 lambda plus 6 lambda plus 14 lambda square minus 18 lambda square and it multiplies this is equal to 6 plus 6 lambda square plus 12 of lambda. So 6 and 6 is cancelled off here, and it becomes 20 lambda is equal to 20 lambda minus 4 lambda square is equal to 6 of lambda plus 12 lambda, and that implies it becomes 6 lambda, it is 6 14, and it is 20 lambda, and 6 lambda is equal to 14 lambda, and it becomes 16 lambda square, 16 lambda square, that is equal to minus sorry it is 14 it lambda square and sorry, this is wrong, it is 8 lambda when we it becomes 12 and minus 8 lambda and minus 10 lambda square is equal to 0. That implies 8 only lambda 8 minus 10 lambda is equal to 0, as lambda not is equal to 0, so 10 lambda is equal to 8 and lambda is equal to 0.8. So it is our required answer. Lambda question asks the value of lambda, so lambda is equal to 0.8, and this is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.